Good morning, people of Jamaicans.com. It's Calibe again with Sexy Man.
That's right.
Sean.
That's me.
Carrie.
Hey.
Who that? Carrie.
Hey.
Andy.
Yes.
Roll call.
Yes.
All right. And we are now heading into the Hampden Estate. So I'm going to turn the camera around because I didn't want you to miss. Lord have mercy. Yes, we're going to drink quite a few different rum. Right. This is a rum tasting tour, and we're bringing you in right from the entrance. So, Mr. Andy is our driver, and he's gonna take it away. I'm turning the camera around, if only it would turn. Oh yeah, it's working now. All right. So see the sign there. We're approaching. Of course, I can see the sign. Guys, can you see the sign? Remember, we can see your comments. Good morning, Kevin Wilson. Please say where you're watching from. So we are driving into the Hampden Estate. We're going left or right? You see, we don't even know where we're going. Left. The government booth. All right. So the original home of Trelawney Rum is Hampden. This is Hampden Estate, and we're driving down. If you're from Jamaica,
a very smooth,
smooth Jamaican road full of potholes and gravel, and you have to swerve left and right, even though we're actually supposedly driving on the left. Kevin Wilson is joining us from London. Thank you for checking in, Kevin Wilson. LC Virginia Ruiz has just joined us as well. I'm not sure where she is joining from. Good morning from Oklahoma. Hey, Pam Smith. See, everybody is on their phone, but
yes.
this long dirt road.
Carrie is saying I must show them the cane over there.
Where's the cane? This is the cane field?
Yeah.
I can't wind my window down though. I wonder if I should. I can show it through the driver's glass. So, oh, look at this fancy stuff.
Sweet chicken.
All right, and now that I have my selfie stick that I can poke out the window, you can see it even closer. Hey, Elsie in Cutler Bay, Florida. Thank you for watching. Noel Cunningham, I believe, is in South Florida. Kevin Wilson is going to be in Jamaica in October till November. So hopefully, Kevin, you can take this tour of the Hampden Estate. So rum is coming from sugarcane, right? So this is so they don't really care about the sugar here. They care about the rum. And if they just the sugar part.
They're gonna turn it into sugar and molasses.
You gotta do the sugar, you gotta do the molasses, you gotta do the rum.
It's so sweet.
Say that again, Sean. Say it right into the camera.
I said that's why you Jamaican ladies are so sweet.
You Jamaican ladies.
That was always the first time.
So to our friends in the back of the truck. Hello, Ian Levy. Hold on, who is this? You guys need to come to the South Coast Rum Festival, August 4 in Portmore. Thank you so much. Yeah, please send the tickets.
Your 2 airline tickets would be appropriate.
Yes.
We would be more than
one
happy
for
to
Calibe,
go
one for
live.
Sexy Man, right?
That's right.
And we will definitely go live from there. We'll shoot some good footage. But Sexy Man, what are you particularly looking forward to seeing or tasting? Hello to Ian Levy from Washington, D.C. Sorry, I'm just going to jump in with the shout-outs while we're...
What am I looking forward to?
Yeah, in the rum tasting. I know you're not a big rum drinker, but...
No, I'm not a big rum drinker, but I'm a rum drinker. I would be... I don't really look forward to much, but I'm going to look forward to, since we're specifically going to this rum, to be able to discern the appropriate blend that is to my liking, so that when I purchase rum of this, place, I will know which is the one for me. So particularly of interest would be knowing what is my favorite, so that when we go back to America, we take the right rum with us to enjoy and to share with our friends.
I'm looking forward to getting drunk because I don't often do that. And I'm not driving.
Look at this wonderful entrance ahead of you.
There's more wonderful entrances. Is this Royal Palm Estate? Can you please wind? Oh, we're going down here. Oh, nice.
Look down the road there.
Hold on, driver, can wind down my window again, please, so I can. I'm going to. Okay, you might not hear me because I'm gonna stick the thing out the window. I'm gonna put the camera up above the car. Somebody loves an Appleton 12-year-old one. I'm gonna put the camera up on top of the vehicle so you can see higher than we can see, and you're not gonna hear me for a moment, okay? All right, So you guys saw what I haven't seen yet. I'm gonna look forward to seeing that footage. But we are driving down a nice entranceway filled with these beautiful, I don't know if they're royal, I guess they're royal palms because they look they're royal, yes. So Sean, you can't just leave me hanging in the middle of the song, so.
No, you can't ask me to sing.
Oh my God.
I
can ask.
Right
down the Masado, I can ask, right? Oh my gosh. All right, so the Hampden Great House. Here's the signage coming in. Oh my gosh, these grounds are beautiful. Let me show you the beautiful part because you're seeing some bush right now. Here's lots of trees and beautiful foliage as we enter. On the left, yeah, we're gonna see that. Can I see it? I'm sorry, guys. Where's Peacock? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not gonna disturb the peacocks because I hear they might kill me. But whilst we are driving into the peacock, put up your feathers. Feathers. Hey, peacock.
What he said was
Put up your feathers. All right, guys. Hello, Sophia Neglia from New York City. There's no curry chicken here, guys, just rum. I don't know what that machine was. Oh, here's another sign. Here's another sign to the, I can't see it. It looks like we're parking. It looks like we're gonna park now. So I'm about to get out of the car with all these rowdy people, and hopefully we don't get attacked by any peacocks while we're walking around. But here is I don't know what this machine looks like. Some kind of pot still. It's not a pot still, it's just a still. Some kind of still for the rum. So we're walking. This is a live interaction. So here's a sign that says the Hampden Rum Estate. Yes, Kay Henry, thank you for watching from New York. This is a pot still or a still. I don't know what kind of still, but it's huge. I am the height of maybe and I'm not a short person. I'm the height of maybe the top of the sign that says Hampden Estate. So I don't know how tall this thing is, but it's pretty huge. And I'm just gonna do like a 360 pan around the entry area to the estate. There's Sean and Kerry over there taking pictures. There are beautiful flowers and stuff and great plants as you walk into the space. And I think we're gonna go ahead and just take a walk inside. David, you have enough hands to carry the tripod for me, or should I come get it? Thank you so much. And we are walking inside of the Hampden Estate tour. This is what you see. This is what you see when you're entering the space. And there's a beauty. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so shady and nice. So these are the grounds. Lots of peacocks over here. You know, I was promised peacocks at the hotel and I still haven't seen them yet. But there's like a whole flock of them over here. They haven't attacked anybody yet, but the day is still young. Where's the sugarcane sign? On the right. I'm blind sometimes. Okay, here we go. That's the sugarcane. I'm not gonna pick off any and eat it because I don't have a machete to peel it with. And it looks like we're gonna get some hard hats because I don't know if we're walking into dangerous territory. Remember when we were in the historical museum yesterday, they talked about these big pots that they used to boil the sugar down with. This looks like the actual apparatus that was used to do that. So you can see where they have the space for the fire to boil the sugar cane juice. Looks like the sugar cane juice would have come out of this barrel, gone down in here where it would have been boiled. You hear that noise in the background? I think that's the peacocks again. The peacocks again making up their noise. And I think this is our tour guide. Good morning. What's your name?
Shelly-Ann.
Hello, Shelly-Ann. Good morning. Please say hi to the people of Jamaicans.com.
Good morning.
Shelly-Ann doesn't want to tell you good morning.
Shelly-Ann, and today be one of your tour guide and also welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you.
Before we start, the restrooms are on the back. You need to use them, and we'll serve some rum punch in the meantime.
All right. Yeah, we have no problem with that. Let's start where we need to start.
All right, so we're going to start off with some rum punch, and then Shelly-Ann is going to take us on a tour of the property.
One of the tour guides.
Oh, one of the tour guides.
Like we're gonna have
Okay.
two for today. All right.
And here's the other side of the grounds. I'm just going to show you. Morning. I'm just going to show you the other side of these beautiful grounds, and they've taken the barrels that I guess the rum would be stored in, and they've turned them into flower pots for all these beautiful bougainvilleas. They have red ginger. I mean, lots of natural tropical foliage here. Hello, Iona Russell from Boston, Massachusetts. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna walk into what looks like a bar, a rum bar. You have a Jankro here. Johnny Blackbud. Johnny Blackbud. Oh my God, that's awesome, right? Johnny Blackbud, and there's a story here. I'm not gonna sit and read the whole story, but this is the original home of legendary Trelawney rum. If you want to pause the video, it's clear enough there. You can read it if you choose to come back. Usain Bolt gave a pair of shoes. Where? Oh, look at that. Okay. Is he from Trelawney?
Yeah.
Usain Bolt is from Trelawney, so it looks like he came here and left them with a pair of his shoes. So if you want to see a piece of modern history, here is something from Mr. Usain Bolt. And I'm going to show you, it looks like I don't know if this is, yep, they won some kind of quality crown award. Here are some little keepsake glasses that you can get from the folks here at Hampden Estate. And I'm going to tell you the truth, I hadn't actually heard of Hampden rums until Rumfire. Wow. Okay, until I heard. I don't know, I'm not a drinker, I told you that.
You must have been hiding under some rock.
No, I've heard of Appleton and of Jerry and Nephew.
Them about long time.
I've heard of JB, no, that's a new one.
No.
Rum Bar is a new one.
Yeah, rum bar is a new one. Is it in there?
But JB has been around since when?
Right.
Never heard of it before.
Yeah,
before just this trip.
In the JB stand for.
John Crobati, I heard.
That's right.
Can I say that on Jamaicans.com? I'm not sure. Here's some, so I'm showing you this because when you're inside of this room, right, from floor to ceiling, it's an interesting look. So look at this now. When you look up, this is what you see. There's something all the way up into this, and I didn't even notice this. If you look at the fan that's in the ceiling, or the light that's in the ceiling, it's two fans rotating on a chandelier light switch. I've never seen anything like that before. That's pretty awesome. And of course, our friend Johnny Blackwood. All right, so Carrie is taking her own pictures here.
I'm actually capturing you, documenting.
Oh, that works too. All right, so Sexy Man, can you, is that my drink, Sexy Man? The one right beside you?
Why not? See, hold up service, I'll go.
Thank you so much. So, Sexy Man, would you like to talk to the people for just a moment while I take a sip of...
Sure, we're happy for talking anytime. So, I can't know what anyone is saying, but what I would ask everyone to do right away from the very start is to share, so that others can also get to see what's going on here in Hampden, the Hampden Great House, as we get ready to make the tour. It is fantastic. The ambience is just fabulous. The Great House is looking very interesting beyond us right over there.
Oh, wow, I didn't even notice it over there.
Yeah, man, I love these trees. The fact that the trees are, the coverage is wonderful. So even though it's a hot and sunny day, I feel like I'm in a cool and very shaded, beautiful area. So it's a lot of good energy. And to start off our tour, before we even get to taste the rum, they give us one heap of sugar. So let's make sure they kill all the taste buds from the start.
Oh,
no.
It's not that wonderful?
No, I didn't say it wasn't wonderful in it, but it's just sugar galore.
Well, it's a sugar plantation, so I would imagine there would be some sugar.
Absolutely.
They're marketing their product. I think it's awesome.
Absolutely.
Except that
you want to serve one more? So Mr. Sean can get it?
I'm going to be drunk before we even start the tour over here, right? So let's visit with our friends from Jamaica Tourist Board. Mr. Kerry Dennis, the proud representative of the Jamaica Tourist Board. Good morning. You look like you're still sleepy, sir.
No, ma'am. I'm good.
No, you're good? Okay. So talk to us about the various rum tours. I know we're at Hampden today. We were supposed to be doing Appleton as well in the afternoon, but I don't know if we can handle any more rum after this particular situation here. So what are some of the other types of or other rum tours that you can do while you're in Jamaica? Appleton, Hampden, who again?
Worthy Park. Worthy Park Estate.
Worthy Park Estate, which is where?
Ty Dixon, St. Catherine. Yeah. It's off near to Linstead.
Okay.
Yeah, near to Linstead.
And what do you typically expect? I mean, other than the actual tastings, what else do you learn typically on these rum tours?
How they process the rum. How they get the sugar, I mean, you get a packaged tour. They tell about how they plant the sugar cane, how they reap it, how they maintain it, and how they process it to get a rum.
Okay.
And most of the times, each factory, their stills, that's how they do the extraction to get the sugar out of the rum process.
Right.
They always have their own unique way of doing it.
Okay. All right, so we're very much looking forward to learning how this particular rum factory does their thing. Everybody's chilling at the moment. It's getting very quiet here, but I hope it's the calm before the storm. Wouldn't you just love to climb this tree? I think I would. Except there might be lizards in there.
No, man, them kind of tree don't carry no lizard.
These trees don't carry lizards. All right. Thanks, David. Good looking out. I'm not climbing any trees today. Sorry, guys. I hope you get to go to Appleton. I want to see the changes. I think there's an Appleton rum tasting at the thing that we're doing this afternoon, which is what? Good Hope. Good Hope, but that's not the actual Appleton Estate.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so that would, sorry Pam, that would actually, we're not actually going to an Appleton Estate. We may do an Appleton rum tasting, but I know I'll be drunk by that time, which is very irresponsible. Okay. So Andy's speaking firsthand to say that this is just as good, and tell us what are the similarities or the differences?
Well, the difference is that at Appleton they make flavored rum also, which is the dark rum. Here you'll only find white rum.
White rum, okay.
And here.
No, rum fire was a white one.
The rum that they produce here is mostly used as base. Base is for other factories will use the rum that's produced here to make their different rums.
Is that why I have not heard of Hampden rum as a popular brand on its own, because it is a...
Right, but they have their own, you check on the table there.
I looked inside, I see. Yes, I saw a few of those, but yeah, so stay tuned, guys, because it looks like we're going to be here for a moment before the actual tour starts. So we're going to all enjoy our... Hello, Nathaniel Abdul Hamid from Wichita, Kansas. And Naku Edwards watching from Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, we're gonna pause for a moment because I think we're getting ready to see who's gonna take us on the tour, and I will sign back in when we find our tour guide, and we're drunk, and we're swinging.
No, I need to see a couple times before just to make sure.
To make sure it's safe.
I won't embarrass myself on tape.
But we want you to embarrass yourself. Why do you think I'm over here with the live stream? That's called entertainment, guys. All right. Thank you. But say bye, Carrie.
Bye.
Say bye, sexy man.
Yeah, man. Good night. Good night. She's saying bye-bye.
Say bye, Sean.
She want to give you the rules. You can't break the rules.
Say bye, Andy.
Bye.
All righty.